Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinaficent back here with your guitar interpretations, and we are doing One Step Forward, Three Steps Back by Olivia Rodrigo. Okay, so I'm just gonna restart the song right here, and I'll give you the chords. I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible for the beginner player, and I'll give you, some fun stuff for the advanced and the intermediate. Also, just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, capo's on 2nd fret. Okay, so here we go. The chords are as follows. So we have C, G to F, okay? And C is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. G is 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And then F is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. So we have C, G to F, right? C, G, F. That's your verse and intro. C, G, F. And if you wanna, okay, that's more of intermediate and advanced player stuff, so I'll show you how to plug. But the chorus is, this is now the chorus. Na 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 na. It's always C, E minor, F, C. Okay, so the only chord I hadn't shown you there is E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. It's always one step forward and 3 steps back. Na, 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 na. It's always one step forward and 3 steps back. Do you love me? Na, 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 na. I don't understand. All right, so that's C, and then E minor, and then F, C. Okay, the first time, and then C again, E minor, F, C. Right, that's the second time. The third time, C, E minor, F. Right, and then we have, hold on, that's the third time, yeah. And then we have the, okay, let me restart the chorus so that I know I'm giving you. Okay, so the first time we have C, E minor, F, C. That's the first time. And then for the second time, C, E minor, F, C. And then the third time, C, E minor, F, C. And then we have E minor, A minor, E minor, F, C. Alright, and then F, C. Okay, so that A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And this part is the do you love me? Na, 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 na. I don't understand. Alright, so that's A minor, E minor, and then F, C. And then again, F, C. Alright? And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to plug the strings for the intermediate and advanced player, when you're plucking, okay, so I'm just gonna show you per chord. So A minor you pluck 5, 4, 3, 2. G you pluck 6, 4, 3, 2. And then for F you can pluck 6, 4, 3, 2. And then E minor 6, 4, 3. So but you might want to use the strums actually because they sound better for the song. And if you guys want me to do like a fingerstyle tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. I can get to that. But the timing is kind of different for the verse and the chorus. So for your verse, you're doing down, 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 down. Okay? Down, 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 down. Right? That's your timing for the verse. And then for your chorus, you have it's now na 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 na. It's always down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down. That's what you can use for your chorus. Up, down, 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 up, down, down. so that's basically it for the whole song. There's no bridge where the chord progression changes or anything. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.